Let's see, is that a complete cut? That is a complete cut.
Wow.
I was like, I wish the light was a little better. Let's see if I can get some exposure up. There we go. Yeah, that turned out all right. I should have brought the bamboo plate out. But here you go. I don't know if you like spinach and feta, but feel free, help yourself.
Oh, wow. That looks good.
Oh God, it's hot though. Be warned.
Mm.
It turned out pretty good. Hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
Hi, sweetie. What's she doing? You need help? Absolutely. That's cleanup water. It's just from the tap, and then I've got a soft jug in there that's more like filtered water. You're welcome.
Oh, you doing the thing?
Yeah, I think that this yolk is for sure gonna break, but we'll give it a go. What do you think? Oh, my yolk definitely broke. Poop. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure it out.
Oh, you're making date with Philo?
Yeah. Oh. That's like dates and walnuts and stuff like that.
Where do you get your date stuff at?
These are just some I got at Fry's.
Oh,
So it's just, yeah, they're just regular medjool dates from Fry's.
oh.
And then I chopped them in the food processor with the walnuts, toasted walnuts and honey, and a little lemon zest. There's probably some Greek grandma out there spinning in her grave, knowing that I'm spraying spray oil on Philo. Because you're supposed to like brush it with melted butter or olive oil.
That's good.
But I was like, this is already complicated enough. I don't want to be out there having to melt butter, you know, and remember bring a pastry brush.
Yeah, really.
I was like, I'm going to do spray oil.
Cool.
This is literally the second time I've ever even messed with it. And the first time had to have been more than a decade ago.
Wow.
And I remember it was a real pain in the ass, but that's what makes it flaky, is doing the butter oil
Oh, heck yeah.
between every sheet. And also you have to keep it like covered and moist or it just turns into paper and crumbles.
You know how they make that Philo paper?
You just roll it and roll it and fold it and roll it and fold it.
Sounds
Very labor intensive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like there's no reason why anybody would ever want to make their own. Oh no, lost a sheet.
Yeah.
Part of a sheet. Really stuck. There we go. Good eye. See, it's already starting to crumble and flake. You're supposed to keep like a wet towel over it because, yeah, it's starting to fall apart. So fragile. It's just amazing. Pastry's amazing. Hopefully they'll both fit in there. Whole other roll in the freezer. I'm like, I guess I'm going to be making Greek food for
Oh my god.
a while now. I've still got a bunch of brie left too. I'll definitely do another baked brie.
Oh, heck.
Thing on it, I'm definitely putting that in the baked brie. Yeah. Egg in this morning's.
Ah.
With the egg out. I know it's amazing how much lower my cleaning standards get when I'm camping. It's just like, that's good enough. It'll burn off. That's fine. Fire will kill the germs.
Yeah.